my approach was to kind of stay away from more of a literal or realism depiction of his life story. So I was trying to think, what are the other ways that would represent him, but in a more abstract way. So from doing some research and talking to his family, I came up with the idea by using the numbers that symbolize his life, the year he was born, which was 1973, the year he died, 2003, and then his badge number, 1463. So that's the numbers that I've used in this to make this lace pattern. I really got to know the family. We've met 4 or 5 times by far, and Jordan and her sister Madison and Stacy, her mom, all helped with the project, and then just interacting with them, got to know, you know, more stories about their dad and her husband, and then just to see how the kids have grown, and I mean, it was really heartwarming.